Groovy. Okay, and what the heck is wrong with this one? Oh, it's just stuck to the side here, it looks like. Oh, fine. We will desolder it again. Okay. Perfect. All right. Wait, really? Wait, really? Good. All right. Move that out of the way. Let's grab this. Let's grab this plate for just a second. Now I feel, ooh, that's sticky. We might have abused it just a little bit. Let's move this here. Let's give ourselves a little mid-project cleanup, shall we? A little mid-project cleanup. Let's move this over here. You know what I need? I need a lint roller like Elvin has. That would be the smart thing to do. Only because gaffer's tape is quite expensive. So using it for cleanup is like acceptable, but also kind of dumb. Also, using desk mats you really love to solder on top of, not the best plan. Very, very dumb.
Elvin's just like all kinds of angry tonight. Like usually he's like mildly toxic. Right?
Okay, I'm 0-44 in the last 2 years. Oh my gosh, not actually.
Angry for real.
Lily, is that true? That's a very bad record. Like, surprising. All right, so now let us attempt to turn off the volume. Let's get these jerseys back out. Okay, so now these jerseys were, or are for sure, available from our good friend Stupid Bullets, stupidbulletstech.com. Do you guys know Stupid Bullets? Okay. Do you guys know Stupid Bullets? Great guy. Honestly, a great guy. Honestly, a great guy. Okay, let's do this. Okay, and now oof, I have a feeling these are, especially with plateless, I'm feeling like very, very positive about these. Feeling like very positive about these. Okay. Oh my gosh, Evan, what's up? Evan, you were streaming? Dude, what did you build tonight? I didn't know you were streaming. Thank you so much for the raid. Welcome, raiders. My name's Gio. Another bias? Was it another bias or a rebuild on a bias? Dude, I'm good. We're chilling, you know. Let's see. I have a feeling this is going to be tricky to flip, so we're going to get a box. And we'll flip them. A third one. Bias is my bias. You bias against the bias. Let's go. I'm good. We're chilling. I'm feeling. Oh, did we stop music? You guys, tell me if I'm not entertaining with the music. You gotta tell me. You gotta fill me in. Okay, yeah, these are definitely going to fall out. Now, if I was smart, I would go downstairs and I would go get the switch rail that Elvin sent me. But instead, I'm going to do this the hard way. We're going to do 1, 2, 3 pins instead. So, because, you know, I'm kind of dumb like that. Now, I don't dip the springs. And there were a few of these where I absolutely messed it up. So I want to make sure I only use the goodest of the good ones. You guys, am I really, but miss what switches these are? These are called jersey switches. And they are, where are they? These are the seashells, I think. Here, let's do a quick look. These are, let's go check it out. So we'll go see our friend, stupidbulletstech.com. And if we go shop and switches, and we scroll down, we find a boxy type switch, jersey, seashell, linear. Here we go. Relatively new manufacturer, brings very nice switches, dust-proof stems, 5-pin cherry-style housings, and we have a 45-gram actuation, bottom out of 55, so fairly light. Actuation is 1.2 millimeters, bottom out 3.4, long pole. 22 millimeter spring, LED slot, PCB mount, yada yada yada. Clear top, lilac stem and bottom, PC top, and PA nylon bottom. So there you go. These are they. I quite like them. I quite like the sound. So yeah, these will be available. These are available right now. Relatively affordable switch, not super expensive. I'm gonna need a piece of very thin cardboard. Do I have that? We'll see. We shall see. I just want the absolute. I want the most perfectest ones for the alphas. Okay, sounds pretty good. May have to get these. Well, you guys will know. I'll tell you. I'll tell you if they're good. I'll tell you if these are contenders. At $5.50 for 10, feels pretty good. Feels pretty good. And what are we at now? 11:07. Guys, we started late, but we're still finishing on time. And that's cool. The PCB is not grabbing the legs the way I would want them to be grabbed. My legs are not being grabbed the way I want them to be grabbed. Just saying. Who's gonna help? Maybe the Tiger Light? Yeah, could do. Okay. So this is the alphas for sure. Oh shit, let's do this. Let's do this. What here? What is this? Has got my address on it, yes. Let's move this over here. And let's do this. So, oh, I'm very dumb. Hang on. Oh no, I'm not. I'm not as dumb as I thought. Oh, if anyone wants to see this move, let's do this. Let's just freeze a camera. Okay. So, like so. Asmo changed his name? Why? What is happening? Asmodeus 1312? What is even this name? What is happening? Essay profile keycaps are not for me, Ness, but I imagine there are some. Hang on, what is going on here? Hang on a sec, let me check some chats here. What is going on? What is happening? What is happening? I do not see what is happening. I don't see what's happening. I bring a sort of ruining people's days vibe to Twitch that keyboard people don't really vibe with. Wait, what? My day is ruined? I have no idea what is happening. There is some kind of nonsense happening right now, and I have no idea what it is. Okay. In the meantime, let us solder some switches. For those of you that aren't familiar with this technique, what we are doing here is we are soldering one switch pin of each of the switches that are going in as part of the plateless build. And what that will do is secure the switch in place so that it can be further adjusted later. And what that means is once we've got them all secured, we can press them down and heat up the solder on the switch pin such that the switches are firmly seated and aligned, and then go back and solder the rest. Okay, good. Follow H has been following your... Oh my gosh. The actual real deal. This is some sort of... I don't know what's happening. But I don't know why Asmodeus would change his name. I dislike it. Whatever it is happening, I don't like it. Geo, I've been watching myself for 0 seconds? That's not true. I've been watching myself my whole life. Okay, so you know what I actually should do is get another PCB. I'm gonna have to put in an order with mode, I think, for another PCB. if there are winner peggers that are interested in getting anything from Mode, let me know, because we can go in and split shipping. From what I've heard, at least, the Obscura switches are definitely worth trying. Okay. So now we can take these and make sure that they are fully seated. Seated. Alright. I feel like it's unlikely that they will be seated properly, and yet here they are, not clicking or anything. Oh, that one had a bit of flex. Okay. So, do the second row. There we go. That one was definitely not in. That one was not in. Good. So what this is going to do is align the switches in the PCB before I solder the second switch pin and really lock them in. So, oh my gosh, Bullets, hello. Stacy Smash, hello. We got Stacy's. Let's see here. Whoops. Now Bullets, we've got these switches are feeling very, very good, so I'm excited to actually get this build done now that I've finally found myself a slot where I could find the time to do them. Here, let's do it this way where I'm not going to burn my fingers. Okay. Absolutely. Oh my god. Shout out Stupid Bullets. Perfect. I do not like the... Oh my gosh. This PCB needs a cleanup. Big time. This PCB is going to need a bit of toothbrushing and a little bit of... bit of probably defluxer as well. Yeah, that's very dumb. Okay, let's do it this way. Okay. I am really digging the sound of these. You don't have to worry about the second pin, is that right? First pin holds everything. Well, the first pin holds it tight to the PCB. The other two purple plastic bits are what actually get the alignment set up pretty nicely. So, yes, I guess is the answer to that question. But once you get it set up with the first pin, you're kind of good with the second pin. You're kind of good. These are these Jersey linear switches, Jersey seashell linears from Stupid Bullets, and I'm really digging how deep they sound, at least outside of the board. They sound really, really nice. So I'm just getting the alpha cluster set up with like the choicest, best switches I can. And then once I have that done, so here, once I have that done, then I will do the rest of the switches, but I won't need to like do this box flippy one pin nonsense. So we'll just get these set up.